tawag dito, labanos ang aking gagamitin kasi sobrang laki. Sobrang laki ba? Ayan, sobrang laki. Gagawa tayo ng Chinese soup, guys. Ito, almusal ko ito mamaya. Tofu. Ayan, ito yung mga sangkap. Mga herbs nila. Parang Chinese medicine. Ito, nakikita nyo ba yan? Balat ng yan, ng tangerine na binilad. Tapos yung iba, hindi ko alam guys, kasi nakapak na yan na binili. Ayan. Isusok ko yan muna. Chinese, hindi ko rin mabasa kasi Chinese. Yung amo ko lang ang bumili. Guys, ito lang ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Yan. Hahaluan ko ng 2 pear. And then, ang tawag dito ay water chestnut. Ayan. Lagyan ko ng water chestnut 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pieces. And then, ito naman, ang tawag dito ay ginkgo nuts. Naghalo ako ng 12. Tatanggalin ko guys yung shell niya. Babalatan natin yan. Yung loob lang ang ihahalo ko. Yan. Isusok muna natin lahat yan guys. And then, ito babalatan natin. Yan. Chinese, soup.
Guys, buksan natin ngayon ito guys. Bababad natin.
Yan.
Ito ang mga laman guys.
This is all the ingredients guys. Yan, ibababad natin. This is the skin of tangerine guys. They dried, sun dried. And these are the other seed fungus. We're going to soak this for 30 minutes. Ayan. This is all the herbs. This is Chinese soup guys. I think they said Chinese medicine. Ito na guys yung mga nasa pack. Ayan. Yan. Ito alam ko to fungus ang tawag. Ito mix guys. Yan mix. Pinagsama-sama ko na in one room. And then this is the I soak for 30 minutes guys. And then this one. This is from the packaging. Here. Ibabat natin guys. Tapos guys, ito na yung labanos na binalatan natin. And then yung water chestnut. And then this one. Tinanggal ko yung shell. Tatanggalin pa natin yung brown yan guys. Kumukulo na yung tubig guys. Ilagay natin yung pinakuloan kong baboy. Ayan. And then sabay-sabay na guys yung binabad ko kanina. Ilagay na natin lahat. Everything. We put everything. Ayan guys. Ito naman yung kanina. Ayan. At yung fungus. Ayan. Sabay-sabay na yan guys. Then this one guys. Lahat na yan sabay-sabay. Ayan guys, if you notice guys, I don't remove the skin, I just and then the inside, because this kind of medicine din daw guys, gamot daw. Ayan, hindi ko tinanggal. Yun ang sabi ng amo ko, so lagay na natin yung sabay-sabay. Ayan guys, we're going to wait until 90 minutes guys. Ayan, everything, we just drink the water. This is medicine, my boss said medicine for lungs. Panlinis ng baga daw guys. Ayan, antayin natin ng hanggang 90 minutes and then balikan natin. Ayan lang natin kumulo ng kumulo. Yung matitira yun lang iinumin natin and then lahat yan itatapon na guys. Ayan guys, kumukulo na, wait natin. Ayan guys, it's done now. I'll show you. Mostly, they just drink the soup juice, guys. Yan. Only the juice. But sometimes I eat some like this. What do you call this? Radish. Yan. It's radish. And then they drink only the soup. Yeah. This is it, guys. It's done. Thank you so much. 90 minutes boiling. Or 2 hours is fine. Thanks for watching.